I hate you, you little fucking fraggle. Where's that little woman? Oh,
Dog!
no, it's not over you then, just give it a
You
little...
never.
Oh, thanks.
You'll have to get him when you go down the yard before you tire.
I'm not, I've got to go and... I was going to do something there. I know. I'm going to see if I can get me money for you, Jenna.
Yeah.
Best. See if this comes in. Bet you say he'll come back later on. How is that? So this is a journey into sound. I don't know what do them rappers do, Jenna. Jenna, do some of the rapping.
I don't know.
Well, if the fucking rap she does is Christmas Day.
Eve. Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve. You know Eve? I know Adam. No,
I know Adam.
Be up!
Nice joke, isn't it? What are you got for time?
Oh, shit, they hit this.
No, I got a chicken.
It makes the top of your mouth go, wouldn't it? What?
Yeah.
John?
It makes it what, son?
Ah, did it wet right?
I can only spare one.
Everyone's got your car.
Alright, yeah.
Let me see.
Get it up, hurry up.
Squeeze out the power five.
Look at you fucking Mongolian. Go, put it over the floor bit. Not on the fucking chair bit.
I didn't know. When you turned round the corner, it flew out.
You didn't know last week you pissed your fucking self.
No,
No, it wasn't you.
just riddles.
No, no. I'm getting mad. Who's there?
Sleep your dad last night.
No, he never does. He hates his dad. He sleep at my mum, son.
No.
Go sleep at his dad. Oh, look! I want them high-five things. Only brought her over for fucking 2 weeks. She's been here for fucking 5 years. A black bastard.
I'm being very black on you, will you wait on?
You are?
I'm being black on you.
Yeah. No, I'm not black. I've been sat there outside the fucking fire station. I hope you don't slip on it. Don't want a fucking fire.